YouTube was good. I got my girl Kayla in the chair. We about to fix her hairline. Let's get it. As you can see, she got a lot of overgrowth. So the cut's done. We just gotta line it up. So we're gonna start in the middle. And like I said, her tapers, all that, it's already finished. So this is the last part of the haircut. We laid her hair down with some foam. We already prepped and cleaned the hairline and the skin, so she's ready to go. So I'm gonna start in the middle. I started with my duller trimmers and then I switched to my sharper ones. And when shaping up a hairline, you have to take into account the curvature, the natural curvature of the forehead. You can't just line it straight across. You have to kind of angle up the corners so that it will appear straight when you're looking dead on. So always remember that. Some people are going to have more extreme curvature. Some people will have no curvature. Me, personally speaking, I have curvature on only one side of my forehead. So I have to kind of line up my hairline as if it's crooked when it's not, just so it can appear straight. So you see I'm like angling the blade up. I'm taking my time, I'm working slow, I'm not pressing too hard. This is her weaker side of her C-cup. Nonetheless, we're still gonna get it crispy and sharp. Her hair grows like pretty much down to her eyebrows, so we're also gonna clean up all those baby hairs. So as you can see, it still kind of looks a little off. We're still adjusting it to the curvature. Now we're gonna spray a little bit of enhancements. She likes some enhancements on her hairline. She doesn't like it too dark. I usually start in this area that I'm in, kind of like the vertical bar area. And I just spray them in the spots where the client needs them. If you just spraying it everywhere, you know, some parts of her head are already dark, some are light. Like this side is pretty light, so we kind of overcompensate for the other side. We'll compensate. And after I usually do my enhancements, I go back and reline it again. And sometimes what I notice is that the enhancements can kind of throw the line off again. So you're gonna have to go back and adjust that line again. So you see the curvature on her forehead, how it looked crooked on that angle? That's what I'm talking about. Natural curvature. I use the pencil just on the vertical bars. Shout out Easy Blade, my promo code. It's on the screen, it's the 4th Ken, and you can get 10% off all the products. They're actually about to release a new razor. So I'm gonna shave her forehead with the blade and get all these baby hairs off. Same thing for this side. And even the razor can throw the line off. Seriously, everything can throw the line off. So you want to make sure everything is locked in, set into place. I don't believe in a perfect lineup. I don't. I believe in getting it damn near perfect. But to me, perfect haircuts don't look good. You guys know what I'm talking about. Those Instagram haircuts that the barbers post that look literally fake. It's just like, I don't like that stuff. That's not me. So we're just gonna freehand trim all those loose hairs. Sometimes the foam can make the hair stick up a lot, but so we're gonna hit her line one more time. This is how she came in. Well, she actually came in with more hair on top, obviously, but this is how her line started off, and this is how we finished it. It's your boy 4. I'm out. Peace.